call me Brena K. Hey homies, welcome back to my channel. On this week's episode, I show you how to get Kourtney Kardashian's hair that she had at the Met Gala this year. If you want to see how I did it, then please keep watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna section out our hair. Okay, so she probably has it parted around right here. You can do whatever side you want. And if you have a bit of a cowlick in your hair, don't worry, because as you can tell with hers, there's lots of volume in it anyway. So that's what my section looks like. And I'm gonna match right over onto this side, about like that. I think that looks nice. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty. I think it looks sexy, gorgeous. So just get that little chunk out of the way, get that money piece out of the way, sugar. These birds better shut the up. I'm trying to film. Just kidding. Birds are nice and beautiful and I love them. Make sure your hair is nice and brushed out. I'm spraying bedroom hair. I'm just kind of going in, taking sections to dirty up that root. This is so our ponytail holds. Our bun's gonna look slightly different than Kourtney's. It's really hard to see the detail in hers. This is the easiest way to do it to get the most similar look. Okay, she has a little bit of volume right here, so we're just gonna support our ponytail and pull out on the top with these two fingers, your little pinchers. Go gentle, because if you're going mad cow, you're gonna pull out too much. And again, this is easier to do in a mirror. So in order for our buns to hold, you need to make sure your hair is dirty with a product. Cocktailia time. Separate your hair into two. You're gonna be making a bun with both sections. Actually, I think I want my section on the right to be slightly smaller. Do whatever floats your freaking boat, man. We are going to take this section, wring it out like a towel, twisting it around like that. Twist, twist. This section right here, this half moon shape, we are going to put bobby pins all around that. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start closest to the ponytail. Oh, is this what my clients must feel like? Damn, that pin's tight, homie. So I'm putting it down, swinging it out, and sliding it in. This sticky guy right here, we're just leaving him. But I'm gonna twist this little edge down. And this is gonna be the hardest part, is pinning this bun. So you guys might wanna practice. I've practiced this look a couple times just so I can nail it for you guys. Okay, I just went and checked that out in the mirror. Pretty damn fire. Now we're just gonna do the same thing with our other section there. So we're gonna do the same motion, homies. Grab this, twist it like that. And then we are just going to kind of twist it around. Now I'm kind of moving this and kind of shaping it around where I want it to sit, along with those tips. At this point, I would recommend going to look at the back in a mirror before you pin it down, because you'll get frustrated if you pin it down and it looks like Okay, same thing with the pins, all the way around that half circle. I'm gonna start at the bottom here, putting my pin down like that, swinging it out and sliding it in. And try not to pin into your ponytail, pin under it or beside it. Because if you pin into it, the bobby pin will open too wide and it'll just push back out, okay? And I'm not opening these bobby pins, I'm just going down, out, in. Ooh, that was secure, homie. Okay, so let's check that out. See if we're happy. Okay, so I just went and had a peeksy poopsie and I'm pretty happy with the shape. I pulled it out a little bit here with my two fingers, not too much, guys. Kourtney has a few little chunks right here, so take your pinchers, wiggle it out. If it's tight there, wiggle it out. And just do a little framing, right like that. Damn, I'm so Brena K, what? So I'm just gonna take my curling iron, that only works if I hold it like this. But yeah, you could use a flat iron. I'm just gonna do like a loose wave in the front here. Oh my freaking god! I don't know, I feel like we killed it. It looks so good. And if you're feeling like your ends here are being stubborn, feel free to shape them with a flat iron when you're done, okay? My hair's straight and fine anyway, so I really don't care. I think it looks banging. Okay, that's it for this video. If you guys are enjoying this look, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any special requests, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.